Welcome to our YouTube video on how to prevent camera access on Gmail. With increasing concerns about privacy and security, it's important to ensure that your camera is not accessed without your consent. Follow these steps to protect your privacy on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in the app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping on the gear icon. Next, navigate to Applications and search for the Gmail application. Once you've found it, tap on it to open up the app settings. Now select Permissions from the list of options. Here, you will see a list of permissions that the Gmail app has access to. Look for the camera permission and make sure that it is enabled. This will allow the app to access your camera when needed. If you want to prevent the Gmail app from accessing your camera, simply tap on the camera permission and select Don't Allow. This will revoke the app's access to your camera and prevent it from using it without your knowledge. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your camera is not accessed without your permission on Gmail. Protect your privacy and security by taking control of the permissions granted to your apps. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.